Hi everyone, so I'm back today with another journal. This one is made using the French documents and French document covers from Taylormade Journals. Lorna kindly gifted me some of the kits, so she's always linked below anyway, but I'm going to read through the kits that I used that I can't find a bit of paper for now. Right, so I used from Taylormade Journals Etsy store. There is antique French receipts, French document covers, French letters, the bookkeeper kit, French snippets, and another one that I forgot to write down. Let me just see. Put my glasses on. I've got, what have I got? Said the French letters and the French ledger kit too. Some of them I already had. I had a couple of kits already. So I love the tall ledger style journals. So this is very much a document style journal. It's tall, it's skinny. I wish I was tall and skinny. Anyway, it's 10.5 by 4, has one signature, 64 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and all my journals have a sale on at the moment, so I will also link below the journals that are still available. And I've had quite a few, did you see that little fly? I've had quite a few requests about the ladies writing journals that I made last week. Well, I've just finished the last one because I put some on made to order, so I've just finished that one today. So I'm got later on, once I've sorted all this out, I'm going to list a few more. They will be made to order, so you'll see that up later as well. I have got a quick video on that. Let me just scissor that off. There you go. Okay, so this is one of the ledger document covers, and I chose the pale blue. I backed that onto, it was a file folder, not the same type of file folders that you get in the US, but quite similar. But it was the kind of craft cardstock. I've put some fabric on the spine. I have got just a fabric closure that is detachable. I don't think they suit. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Like, I know I do the larger ones with eyelets and a closure, but I'm not sure on this. But if you purchase it and you want eyelets and you know, a permanent closure, leave a message on my website when you make the purchase. Okay, so that's the front. I'll show you. How many did I tell you how many pages? Yeah, 64 pages front and back. So that's kind of what it looks like with the fabric on the spine, and that's the inside there, like so. This was so fun, and it obviously the kits are just beautiful. So here I've made little pockets. I've done some stamping. I've also used a few little bits from the old design shop. So that is the like cabinet cards. This is from the, I'm just trying to remember because obviously all these kits are new to me. I've lost that bit of paper. There it is. I've got so many bits of paper lying around. So this is from the French snippets. So there's little pieces there. I think that might be from the French snippets as well. And this is from the old design shop. I can't remember the name of that kit. Vintage tags. You do find a link below to the old design shop as well. So this is either from the French receipts. I think it is the French receipts kit. Some more stamping. The reason it's got little bits because obviously originally that's what it looked like, so I kind of notched them out. We have some lined paper here. We've got little pieces there. Now, like I said, I can't remember which kit is what, but I have named them all. So that is from the kit. I done some stamping. I need to take a glass of water. I've just you probably hear my fan going. It's very, very hot here. I've got plenty of water. drunk loads, and I've just not long had I drink decaf coffee, but a chocolate iced coffee. Oh my god, it was delicious. I just fancied something chocolatey, and that's what I got. And the chocolate was a really nice fresh chocolate milkshake thing that I got. So I've put some of the ledger on like that to create a tuck, and this comes out like so. So there's lots of flip outs here, and this is from the French letter kit, which I love them. You can fold them up other ways, but I've just done it like that to put in there. And my fingers aren't working. These nails, I like them, but I don't like working with them. So like I said, I've showed you that just flips out like so. Then here we've got some coffee dyed paper. This is a great time to get your coffee dyed papers done and set them outside. I've done loads every single day, trying to keep it stocked up so that maybe in the winter I don't have to do much at all. This is from the French letter kit. I've just folded that like so, and that is just paper clipped up there. Then we've got this, and I think this is from the French snippets. So we've got them pieces there, and that just goes in there. And we have a postcard from Tsunami Rose, and then again this is from the French snippets, I assume. I'm guessing, I'm just double checking again on a frame. Yeah, this is from the Old Design Shop, and that is the portrait cards. Then this is from Taylormade Journals. So yeah, go over and check them out. The links will all be below to well, to a lot of ladies, but go out and check these kits out. That is, I think that might be from the Snippet Journal as well. Snippet Journal? Snippet Kit. French snippets. This is from the Old Design Shop. The little number labels on there from the Old Design Shop. Did I put one? And here. And there. This is from the Old Design Shop as well, from the tags. And this is from Tsunami Rose. So I think tomorrow I'm going to do one, but I'm going to, because obviously this is very neutral in colour, I think I'm going to mix it up with some like coloured paper from other kits. So yeah, that is from Taylormade Journals. Some stamping, flippy, coffee dyed lined paper. This is Taylormade Journals, and some crochet trim and some stamping. Another pocket there with a little inventory tag, and that is from the French letters. Yeah, I love these style of journals, I really do. Do you know what, I haven't even got one for myself. I'll have to make myself one. It's just because I've got so many journals, and making me a journal would just be senseless, because I'll have to do a little show and tell of like all my journals that I've got, and I've even got some in the house in a box under the bed. It's so, you know, I love the process of making journals, and I do use my own little journals for, like, you know, my own personal things. And I'm more of a list maker, and I do need to work in my little artsy journal because that's kind of fell by the wayside. But I'm waiting on some more stencils that should be here by the end of the week, and I'm gonna, if you watched my video the other week of me playing around with the gel plates, the jelly printing, then you'll see like I made quite a lot of little pages and things. So I want to work with them, but I wanted more stencils to play around with, and I've been buying more paints to try and stock up on that, because I didn't, you know, I thought I had a lot, but then when you start getting into it, you realise like sometimes you haven't got a lot. So I've been stocking up and buying like paints each week, and I'll show you them when I get it all out to do stuff. But in fact I might actually work in the house with it, because I don't have the room here. This literally is the amount of room that I have to play around with. When you're getting paints and everything out, and you've got loads of papers and you need to dry them, and you've got as little space as I have, then you'll know I need to do that in the house one day. And I need a big box to put it all in so that it's easy to transport from here into the house. And it not be a boiling hot day, because it's very hot at the moment, and my house is we keep it nice and cool by keeping the keeping the curtains and the blinds down. So I kind of need light as well. So anyway, back to this. This is from the French Snippets, and that is from the Old Design Shop, and then this is from, I think, from the French Snippets as well. They're great little additions. I mean, that kind of thing could quite easily be like added onto like here and maybe glued just down there, and then you've got a pocket and another flip like so. So you can do lots of little things with the little bits that are here. So that is that, and then this page goes out that way, but that way I glued that down there. This is from, I don't know, I think that might be the bookkeeper one, I don't know. So it's the Antique French Receipts, French Document Covers, French Letters, the Bookkeeper, French Snippets, and the Ledger Kit too. And then this, I just popped it inside there, like that. I'll learn which one is from which kit soon enough. So that's that. Some more stamping and crochet trim, little flip there, the other side of the lined paper, some more stenciling, so there's still plenty of room to journal. Little pocket there. Oops, I just dropped something, I'll have to pick that up in a minute. And just as well, I swept my floor up because the other day actually my son come in and done it because my back was hurting, swept it all up for me and like emptied my bin for me because I couldn't bend down because my back was really sore. Let me just try and find this now. Oh, I don't know where it went. Oh, I see it, but I can't reach it right now, so I'll pick that up in a minute because I need to move my chair to get to it. So, and then that's the last page. So this was fun to do. I mean, literally when I woke up and seen that I'd got these new kits to play around with, it was like straight up, straight in, print them off, coffee dyeing them. Luckily, because it's so warm, they dried really, really quickly, and then just printing things out and just whilst watching the telly. Yeah, so that was lovely to do. I love all them type of papers. I love oldie things. Well, getting old myself, so no, I love all the old kind of ledgers and the French ledgers and like document papers and things like that. So yeah, if you purchase this and you want eyelets in there, please leave a message on my website so that I know that's what to do. If you're happy with it like that, then fine, fair enough. So yeah, you will find all the ladies that I spoke about will be listed below to the Etsy store, so you will find the listing to this below and any other journal that I have available at the moment in my shop. Hope you're all having a great day, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.